So everyone, this is Gigi Vlog, sa Filipino actor based in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back na my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin yung reaction video. Ang kahapon na I Think I Love You media ko ni David, and pinag-uusapan natin dito kung sino ang kanyang magiging leading lady sa kanyang official music video. Yan yung sinasabi ko sa inyo guys, so sana i-stream natin. Kung hindi man kayo busy, i-stream natin, bisitahin lang natin kahit isang, dalawang beses, tatlong beses, araw-araw yung kanyang lyric video, if I'm not mistaken, sa Universal song, para at least, alam mo yun, mabilis ang pag-release ng official music video. So, agad-agad gawa natin ang reaction video, ang kanyang full interview. So, titignan natin dito, kasi medyo na-chismis ako kanina, medyo something like na-amaze ako, na parang tinanong siya kung in love siya, alam niya din naman kung saan patungo ang tanong na yon, or kung anong laman ng tanong na yon, pero kasi, sabi niya, I'm in love with my life. Tigilan mo ako, David. So, without further ado, let's start this. Yeah, of course. Ay,
so,
yun na yun?
ang sinabi ko talaga sa UR is, I wanted a song na would resonate to the Gen Zs.
Oh, Gen Z palang atake niya.
So, with I Think I Love You, I think yung
Gen Z pala.
melody.
Oo, melody.
Is very
Gen Z pala yung kanyang target market.
yun. And with regards to the lyrics, ang sabi ko ay gusto ko
Ano? Siya lang yung kumanta, hindi siya yung nag-compose. Yung girl. Si Barbie nga.
so,
Si Barbie nga talaga. Kinilig na ibig sabihin, may idea siya. Hindi na siya ang nagsulat ng lyrics, pero may idea siya kung ano yung gusto niya sa lyrics. So basically, sabi niya, I think I love you. So Barbie nga. For Barbie talaga to, ang kantang to. Literal, for Barbie talaga to. Okay, anyways, tuloy natin to. Di ba?
So you say you're an introvert. So, but now parang nag-open up ka na. So aside from my wine, how are you able to open up and become more extroverted?
takes a lot of preparation, that's for sure. This morning, I was on YouTube, diba? Check lang ako like how to properly communicate, how I can be confident, you know. So every day it's a different preparation for me. So pag nasa business ako, iba yung ways of preparation. Kapag meron akong ganitong haharapin kay media, iba yung preparation ko. And a lot of meditation, a lot of affirmations really. And yeah, I mean, siguro, pinaka nag-work sa akin is, it's not really about myself, right? It's about the song, it's about you guys. I mean, lahat naman tayo nandito lang para magtrabaho, hindi ba?
Yes.
So, minsan kasi isipin natin na, oh, baka isipin niya kung ano yung mga pinagsasabi ko.
Overthinking.
Yes.
Kapag introvert ka eh.
Totoo.
So yeah, that's what's been helping me. It's not about me. It's about,
It's not about,
yeah,
I think I love you. It's not about life.
Baka natama lang yung preparation and parang baka nerves lang siguro.
Totoo.
yeah, oh, I think the preparation talaga helps and
Calm down.
yeah, and marami kasing ways eh, diba? Kasi ako yung person na gusto kong mag-improve all the time.
Oh.
All for self-improvement, so lahat ng pwede kong matutunan sa YouTube, sa pagbabasa ng libro, ina-apply ko sa life ko. So, thankfully, hindi na ako ganun ka-shy. I mean, I'm still shy, but
Hindi na siya ganun ka-shy.
hopefully. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you po. Okay, next po.
Ito na yung mga question eh. Dito tayo eh. Ang bait-bait hindi meeting na, no?
I'm Trisha from Hello.
Ay, ito siya.
From Metro.
Oh, hi.
From Metro. Metro Mag. Oh, Metro Mag din.
Operations representative. So, what made you say yes?
Tingnan, David. Ayan, go.
Ano yung nakita mo sa contract na yun?
Sagutin mo yan, David. Nanggigigil ako sa'yo. Nanggigigil ako sa'yo. Sagutin mo yan.
Nag-produce kasi nito si Luke. Siya yung...
Si Luke? Sino naman si Luke?
Ang song, actually lahat. So,
Oh, si Luke.
napakinggan ko siya, nagandahan talaga ako sa...
Kailangan natin i-friend si Luke.
So, sabi ko, ito lang gawin natin. And then, ano ulit yung question mo?
What made you say yes specifically to this song na ito yung unang mong gagawin?
Okay, so, I think I resonate with the lyrics, to be honest.
Resonate with the lyrics.
Basta nag-resonate ako sa lyrics. So, yan.
Okay. Ano na lang yung favorite line mo dun sa song na pwede mo
Ayan.
sabihin in real life?
I think I love you. Ang ganda naman ito. I wanna feel you. I wanna touch you. Ganon. I wanna feel you. I think I love you.
Kaya kung meron kang love, may love ka ba?
Ay,
Gusto ko na po yun.
may love ka ba? Siya yung nagtanong yun, no?
Hindi pa nag-aamin. Sige mo lang, I think I love you.
Oh, ayan na. Yung mga hindi pa nag-aamin. Sabi ko sa inyo, para kay Barbie talaga tong kanta ito eh. Wait lang.
Yeah, of course, I would love to. Again, it depends who you are. If you still wanna...
Para kay Barbie talaga tong kantang to. Pati ang lyrics para kay Barbie.
Even this, like, itong pag-organize ng isang media po ay mahirap. So it really depends on them. But if you were to ask me, of course, I would love to. Na-enjoy ko siya, surprisingly. Nag-wine, tapos nag-record. Feeling singer lang.
Napilising mo lang. No, baka totoo niya talaga.
Music para gusto mong i-explore after this one.
Ay,
Gusto ko yung song na palagi.
palagi.
Hopefully.
Alright. Thank you so much for getting.
Thank you so much, Ross.
Okay, once again po. Last two? Okay.
Ay, last two? Bakit naman last two? Ang bilis naman.
Hi David, I'm Angeline from Paul.
Hello.
So my question is, you're someone who wears many hats. You do acting, you do business. So what are your excitements and challenges as you went through the process of becoming a recording artist?
To be honest with you, the preparation is different but same at the same time. I think I always stick to my morning routine. If I am able to do my morning routine, which is workout, meditate, do I even do tongue twisters. Just to, wake up my brain. And then, when I start working, andun ako sa zone ko na tinatawag na parang, ano tawag doon? Ano pa ka doon? Basta, yung zone na yun. Meditative state. Yan. So, when I get to that meditative state, I feel like I can do everything. I'm more assertive. When it comes to wearing many hats, yeah, yun yung problem ko now because ang dami kong ginagawa talaga. So it's hard to compartmentalize. For example, mayroong problema sa negosyo, I still have to, like, be here, and then may acting naman ako. But slowly, I am figuring it out. I feel like kailangan ko gumawa ng time blocks. Let's say, at this point, at this hour, ito yung gagawin ko, and then the next hour, ito yung gagawin ko. Pero tatanggalin ko na yung business ko once I get here. So parang yung ginagawa ko everyday.
Ang gwapo ni David. And then,
So plan ko rin gawin for example, Monday, negosyo, Tuesday,
oh,
Wednesday,
love life.
ganun. So,
Sunday para kay Barbie, syempre. Di ba? What do you think? Ting ting. Aminin niya yan.
So last question from me is, now that you're a recording artist, do you have personal aspirations? Do you want to do concerts, fan meets, or other events that are recording artists not do?
If it works out, yeah, why not? Diba? Again, I'm a very practical person.
Ito, para kay Barbie pala talagang kanta. Hindi ako makamove on. Hindi ako makamove on, I swear.
I'd be super happy to do that. All those stuff. Yeah.
Ay, ganun pa talaga dapat, ma'am.
Alright, last two
Para,
questions po.
ay, last two. Tapusin natin itong question. Sino mo bait-bait siya talaga? Oh, baby talaga siya.
Hi David, I'm Anna with the Control and Service.
Baby talaga siya.
When you started out, diba, you tried learning how to sing for a year. Did you ask for a year since last
Sorry.
year?
Singing, yeah.
Did you ask help from anyone besides syempre yung mga sugar mo, yung mga nagtutusig, from your friends, syempre sa showbiz? And meron ka bang, since recording artist ka na, meron ka bang gusto maka-collab in the future or makasama mag-perform itong I Think I Love You?
Did I ask anyone? Yeah, I asked yung kapitbahay ko si Benden.
Oh!
Yeah, so actually kanina magkasabay kami mag-gym, and next week we are gonna have wine. We're gonna talk about, I don't know, a lot of stuff since he is getting married this January, I think.
Yeah.
So, yun. And Ano yung question mo?
Cute.
You answered the first. The second question.
Ang cute.
Sino gusto mong makakolab or
makakolab.
makakasama?
Makakolab. Ito na.
Love you in the
To be
future.
honest, yung pitch ko ngayon kay Ben and Ben. Tatanong ko siya.
Ben and Ben.
Sa concert mo. o baka-
Ben and Ben. Gusto niya pala sa Ben and Ben. Ben and Ben.
Nandito lang ako eh. Hindi ko
Ah,
lang provide siya.
Why not?
Hopefully.
Thank you, David.
Thank you.
Okay.
Sino na Ben and Ben?
True.
Something to look
That's
forward
interesting.
to. Okay, for our last question po. Sige.
Ay, may last question. Ay, parang,
Ito naman sila.
Pag sinasabi mo. So pag
Bakit ako sabi ko siya, sabihin ko na, why do you love me?
ay, wait.
Baka wala.
Okay, hindi pa natin ito nabahas na.
Meron nagsabi sa'yo outright na,
Ito.
David, I think I love you.
Ay,
And what was your reaction?
ayan.
Hearing mo, yung fan, yun.
Fans or even
Ano?
someone,
Someone.
Sa context na,
Aminin mo yan, Dave.
I love you na song.
maybe even before or
Aminin mo yan.
Ikaw ba wala?
ibang coach. Hindi, so, anong naging reaction mo?
Parang sa Marites University yan.
Ako na nagsasabi. So, luckily naman, nag-I love you too naman sila.
Ay,
Sabi mo. So, pag
I think I love you.
Hindi naman mo ligawan, syempre.
Mm-mm.
Liligawan mo.
Itchisero.
love you ka. Tapos pag-I love you sila kung mahal mo nila.
pero pag girl ang nauna nagsabi sa'yo, ano ka ba? Yung medyo parang
Aloof.
yung medyo parang konting naging aggressive yung girl.
Oo, true.
Professing her feeling. Ano yung impression mo sa ganun?
Wala lang.
Mahal mo siya at that point. Sasabihin ko, I love you too. Pero kung hindi ko siya mahal, sasabihin ko, thank you.
Thank you.
So, thank you na lang ito. Kumbaga.
Kung hindi ko siya mahal, sabi ko thank you. Pero kay Barbie, yung mga chinichika niya, I care for you. Di ba? Pag hindi niya mahal, yung chinichika niya, I care for you. Tama ba yun, ma'am? Pero ganyan, tama ba yun? Parang hindi naman tama yun. Uy, di ba? Meaning niya yun, mami.
Yeah, David, of course, being part of GMA, Sparkle, and now Universal,
Mm.
how do you love your career now? How do you love the way you are now?
Alam mo ba, minsan kapag busy ka, makakalimutan mo kung ano yung narating mo, kung nasan ka na. Pero I think it's always nice to reflect on what you are doing, what you have accomplished, and be grateful for them. Dahil paminsan mo burnout ka eh. Diba, kung narin tayo mo ginagawa. So yun, I love where I am right now. To be honest with you, I did not expect anything talaga when I first got the showbiz. Gusto ko lang makita yung sarili ko sa magazines, cute
Ah.
pa ako nun.
Oo, true.
Then,
Ngayon hindi ka.
show ko lang, parang cool ka sa school.
Oo. Ngayon hindi ka na hubadera.
You know, and I'm just really
It's
grateful
work.
for the opportunities. Sino nga, si GMA.
Anong next nito?
You are...
Yung AVP pala ang next.
Titiwala sa akin, maraming salamat. At sa inyong lahat dito, diba? Dati pangarap ko
True.
yung interview eh. Ngayon, nakakaba pala.
Nakakaba.
Na-joke lang ba diya? You're really grateful.
Nakakaba pala.
Are you in love right now?
Ito yun. Diba? Apaka-showbiz. Wala kang maluloko. Wala kang maluloko talaga, promise. Wala kang maluloko.
Thank you so
Anyways, there you go guys. So this is our for today's video. So, aminin man natin na ang kanta talaga is para kay Barbie. Aminin talaga natin yun. Kasi diba, hindi mo siya nagpo-post pero sinabi niya na ito yung gusto niya. Something like lyrics ng kanta. Yung gusto kong maipadama sa kanya or masabi sa kanya na mahal ko siya. Something like that. And the physical touch. Yung tipong gusto ko siyang ma-feel and everything. Yung lyrics, diba? Pero nasa showtime silang bigay na bigay. This is Kigo Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!